_transgender. Hello, Ariansi and Pearl. Happy Valentine's Day. We love you so much. We'll always be here, always in all ways. We can't wait for your project. So proud of you both always. Blue Heart, #Frances. Thank you so much and happy Valentine's Day. Magkikita tayo sa buong buwan ng buong taon.
Galing kay Jamela Azur Derder. We love you always, Francet. Dito kami palagi para suportahan. Thank you so much. We love you. Galing kay
Mangundaya Paisa. Dear Francet, sana more projects ko sa inyo and more awards sa serve nyo kasi mababait kayong tao at laging binablas ni God. Thank you po and God bless you too. From Donna Grace, to my Francet, I will always be rooting for both of you. Alam ko na sobrang layo pa ng mararating niyo bilang love team. Hindi lang kayo pangkilig, ang dami pa namin natutunan sa inyo, lalo na kapag pinapanood namin ang mga interviews niyo at nakikita kung gaano kayo ka-genuine. Mahal na mahal namin kayo at palagi kami nandito para support. Always remember, a happy Francet is a happy cloud. So, thank you!
Guys, thank you so much sa lahat sa mga Francet. We love you. And tagal na natin nagsasama dyan.
Happy Valentine's Day!